to Gourmet to Stay, episode 14. This week we're taking a look at a dish for the vegan and vegetarian fans out there. We're going to make a dish with cauliflower, one of the most versatile vegetables when it comes to vegetarian cuisine, but not that ideal of a flour for other situations. Honey, I'm home. Happy birthday. We're gonna make this cauliflower into one of the most popular Chinese dishes, General Tso. But what most people don't know is General Tso's not really authentic Chinese food. Cauliflower is commonly used to replace other proteins in vegetarian food. So I figured, fake meat, fake Chinese food, match made in heaven. Now let's get cooking. Well, this is the only produce we'll need this week, so let's chop it up. Now we're going to keep the whites and green parts separate on these scallions. The whites we're going to add to our sauce, and we're going to garnish with the greens. This is one of the reasons I love scallions. They're just so versatile. Of course, we got to go with our star of the show today, the cauliflower. You know, it's got a nice meaty texture, which is one of the reasons it's used to replace so many proteins in vegetarian dishes. Much like tofu, it is a little on the bland side, but that makes it that much easier to dress it up with whatever flavors you want. It's a blank canvas. Usually this is the part where I would use eggs to batter what I'm going to fry, but we're making this vegan. No eggs allowed. I'm going to just make a simple batter with flour and water. We want it to be super thin, almost like a crepe batter. So we're just going to coat the cauliflower in the batter and then roll it in the flour just to keep that batter all on there. Now let's head over and set up our frying station. It's important to know the temperature of your oil, so we're going to calibrate our thermometer. It's good to mix it in ice water first to make sure that it's testing around freezing. Frying scares a lot of people, so feel free to try it in an oven or air fryer if you don't want to do it this way. We're going to just swirl these around until they're golden and crispy. Don't worry if the stalks get a little dark, because they just naturally caramelize faster than the rest. Thelma's already drooling over here looking at what I'm making. To really be General Tso's, we gotta do this in a wok and try to make a sticky, spicy, sweet sauce. We're gonna add the zest of one orange just to give it a little brightness and acidity. Once those scallions go translucent, we can start adding the liquid. And the longer you let these simmer, the more flavor will build. When it's boiling, we're going to slowly whisk in some cornstarch slurry, just to thicken up that sauce, make sure it really sticks to that cauliflower. Throw in your cauliflower, give it a toss, and that's all she wrote. You can just throw that cauliflower over a bed of rice. Add those green scallions we cut earlier. wipe it up for presentation, and look at that. I mean, who needs takeout when you can make something this good at home? And that cauliflower turned out so meaty and crunchy, I didn't even really miss the chicken. Thelma loved it too. That's it for this week. Let me know what you want to see next time.